is less of intuition, but more of what you want to create in the future. It's goal setting. What do you want in the future? We want meditation everywhere, and not in the next 100 years, 10 years. It cannot happen tomorrow. If you say tomorrow, you will be foolish. And if you say 100 years more, you are very lazy. So set a reasonable target. When I speak, always I take up the middle path, where it is neither foolish nor wild. A reasonable target. 10 years is a reasonable target for me. So it doesn't come out of my intuition. It comes out of my targeting the thing with my common sense, with my spiritual scientific temper. 10 years is the target. Every business should have targets. We also have our targets. Without targets, we won't be able to move in the way we want to move. Target is very important. You know, way back in 2004, I kept a target, Dhyana Andhra Pradesh. Then by 2008, I said Dhyana Bharat. 2012, I said Dhyana Jagat. By 2020, I said Ahimsa Jagat. So I was keeping all these targets in front of all the PSSM and working towards that. Don't bother about achieving the targets, but keep the target. That is very, very important in management science. Crystal clear target. That is the very basic foundation of management science. So I apply my management science principles in my day-to-day PSSM work. So it doesn't come from my intuition, it comes from my scientific background. Management science.